Meronetwork MRP. This is mainly aimed for manufacturing industries. Let's log in and see quickly what it has. Okay, so mainly while we do the productions, we set up two major things. One is the material formula and other is material operations. So let's open these in two tabs. Okay. So this is the material formula. Let's say to make the formula for the products PB4, we have the following. These are the raw materials. So to make a ton of maize, it needs the following. So it depends on ton or unit or whatever we are comfortable with. And then another thing is the operations, the factory operations. For example, let's say to make these PB4 product, we have the following operations. Okay, there is nothing here at the moment. Let's create few. Let's create, for example, let's say first we unload the raw materials and then we get the material from the stores and then finally we dispatch. This can go as many as it wants according to the nature of the products. So let's say we just unload one truck. It's let's say for one bora it takes like 1 minute. The cycle time, the machine time, let's say 3 minutes. Overall cost, let's say 90 rupees. Labor cost, let's say 50 rupees. These are all imaginary. It has to be set up according to yours. For example, let's say you have the other expenses as well. For example, while mixing, you'll have the diesel expenses. Let's say kharani, blah blah. So this can be, you can set it as per your comfort, and then you can assign the individual to certain users so that they can get notification and all that. So once this is set, you will go to the production house. You'll go to the manufacturing part. So these are all the process list. You can see the status. Some has finished, some has been scheduled, some has been paused. So let's start one. Let's say today we are going to build 900 bags of PB1. For this it will cost, this is the cost. Let's say for 90 bags this will again change. The price is calculated automatically. And then let's assign to some anyone. Let's choose this and let's save this. Now you will get the product labels, lot, and then the unit, per unit cost, this much, total cost this much. The overhead and labor cost is not, the routing is not set up for this, so this is empty now. In here it shows like maize, it will need 2700 kg, but you already have 13,000 kg short. This right side is the one you already have, so there is already negative number in stores, so you might need to book this. So you can, if there is lot, you can return the stock or you can add the stock. You can add even more products. So okay, this is, and then we can go to the production. After once everything is done, it will show you the statistics. For example, these are the numbers, then manufacturing numbers. So it will show you if there is a cost overrun. These are the cost overruns, and then you will see there are reports, various reports. For example, product statement, daily consumption, and many other reports which is not activated. Let me see. There are other reports like okay. They can be like final product, daily raw consumption, medical consumption, other consumption, and according to your requirement, there can be many other reports. For example, accounting report, sales report, and this is also tied up with IRD. You can do the billing and you can also do the purchase. You can do the purchase here as well. This is the product and inventory. You have all the options here: inventory, good receipt notes, stock adjustment. So this is actually the complete cycle of the manufacturing, including your accounting, chart of accounts. Let's say the chart of accounts has all the chart accounts. So thank you very much. This much is for today.